going on, man? Put your tooth on it.
See, it's already dissolving.
Is it yummy?
Do we have
Look, he's like, why is everybody looking at me?
Is it yummy?
Do we have a Baba ready just in case he tries to swallow it and it won't go down?
Yeah.
No, but I'll get some in his glass.
Too sure about that.
Alright. He looked like he was like
Making face on it.
gagging on it or something. Not gagging, just.
Texture. Yeah. Hello?
Braden,
Hey, what's up with you?
look.
Nothing. We just got home a couple minutes ago. We were
You eat it?
We were at DMV all day because we switched the car over. We gave Kimmy the Explorer. And, yeah. And, then we went to a
likes
couple
them.
stores and
Yeah.
so we actually just got home.
The face.
No, I haven't. I will though. I mean,
What's the problem, man?
so I will.
Are you sure about that, Tommy?
Yeah.
Look, he's chub.
It's sitting on his tongue.
But I'll look.
Hey. Do you eat it? Is it yummy?
Still working?
Did you see him did you see him make the gag face though, Kim? Do you think that's because he's choking on it, or?
Yeah,
No.
First one, tool, right?
I don't think we should,
Yeah.
babe.